Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Screenflow 10. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize the toolbar at the top of your Screenflow canvas. To customize the toolbar above the canvas in Screenflow 10, you can right-click or Ctrl Click anywhere up top here. So I can go right in the middle, press the Control key on my Mac, and click, and now I have options to customize the toolbar. So it's currently set to icon and text. So the icon's above and the text description is below. If I right click or Control Click, I can change that to icon only. I can right click again, choose text only. And if you look at the very bottom, you can choose this option, Customize Toolbar. You're going to get this little pop-up window where you have some options here where you can drag your favorite items to the toolbar. So maybe you use the group and ungroup a lot and you want that always visible in your toolbar. No problem. Just click and drag it right onto the toolbar and just put it in the position to where you want it. I'll click on the ungroup and put it right next to group. You can also move things over to the left side. So if I want to add the inspector over there, I can just drag it onto that left side. And I can also control how the icons and text are displayed by clicking on this little drop down menu. So I'll click on that if I want to change this to icon only. Everything in the toolbar will change to icon only or text only. So just choose the one that you want. And if you ever want to reset and get back to the default settings of the toolbar, just click on the main box here and just drag it, and that'll reset everything to how it originally was. And when you're done, click on the Done button. And that is how to customize the toolbar in Screenflow 10. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.